This video, guys, in this video we're going to learn about duplex streams, and I'm going to tell how we stream a video. Okay, before going to that, I want to introduce this one. This is the readline package, which is a built-in package in Node.js. What it will do, it will create an interface, so it will read every line, okay, each and every line from the read stream. So you can read line by line in any of the document. Okay, so I'm not executing this one. You can try this one. Okay, let's go to video streaming part. Okay, so see, if any of the recipe, I mean, if you make any of the recipe of the cooking, you cannot do only with the vegetables, right? Have to add chili, salt, everything, I mean. So in the same fashion, if you do some action, okay, which is given to the user, they can use it. This kind of action will not be happen with only single functionality. Okay, so for that we require a server, especially for video streaming. So we require a server which is listen to our request, and it will process the request and it will give the response. It is like us. Let's suppose say we are hearing whatever the things I am teaching here. So you're hearing with your ears, okay, and then your mind is processing that one, and you are giving the response with your mouth, right? In the same fashion, server which listens with some port, okay, some port number, and then after giving the request, it will process the request what we have given, and then it will make the response accordingly, and it will give. Okay, this is the process of the server. So when we come to the creating the project, so then I will explain more about this process of server creating all those things. Okay, so as of now, just concentrate on the streams now. Okay, there is a HTTP module which is the built-in module in Node.js. We don't need to install this one, and here we're creating the server from it. Okay, it will taking a function. It is a callback function which is taking the request and response. Okay, so here I am passing the file path, which is the file path for the video, and there is one function called stat sync, okay, in fs module. So it will give the metadata of the path which we have given the file. Okay, in that we are collecting only the size, and we are returning in the response headers. And here the major one, that is the read stream. We're talking about the read stream. So in fs module, we're taking the read stream, we are reading this video file, and here we are taking the read stream and we are giving to the response using the pipe function. There is a pipe function uh, which is in streams, we can say. This function what we'll do, let's suppose say we have a water tank. Okay, if we want a water in a bucket, what we will do, we will arrange a pipe. Okay, right, when we open the tap, so water will come chunk by chunk, and it will store in the bucket, right? In the same fashion, here there is no water, here the data. Okay, so in a read stream, it will read chunk by chunk. Okay, so by using the pipe, what we will do, we will write those chunks into the response. That's why we can call it as a duplex streams, because it is the reading and the writing. Okay, we are reading here, and using the pipe we are writing that chunk to the response. Okay, and yeah, of course, this is an event for catching the errors. Okay, let me execute this code. I have written the same code here. Okay, I'm giving the proper path. Okay, using the path, we already explained this one. Path.join, I'm giving, there is a sample.a folder in which I have this video, which is the previous video only, stream basic.mp4. Okay, so so we are reading this tag using this function, the same thing which is explained. Let me execute this code. So debug ready attached. Okay, function is listening. Okay, so now server is listening on the port 303 3003, sorry. Okay, let me execute this one. Now we have to send a request to the server. Okay, server is listening, and I'm sending the request. Okay, let's see, VS Code is blinking. Okay, now see here guys closely, because I don't give a data event. Instead of data event, we are giving the pipe. So that's why you cannot see data here in a console, but you will see the video. Okay, but it will read the chunk by chunk, so it will come at least 3 times to the same program. See here, it is loading here. Okay, that's what usually our videos, when we download, when we stream, it will loads. Where it is here. Okay, it will read the chunks. Okay, again it came here, there is no error. Okay, so again it is within the chunk. Let's see. Yeah, now it is streaming. See, now the
Welcome
video
to
is
this
streaming.
video, guys. In this video, we're
Let
going to learn.
me stop this one. Okay, I just muted this one. Okay, but it's still running. Okay, you can see here. So if you see it is streaming, that's why if you using this control, I am, you know, pushing towards this one, but it will not coming. Okay, because it is streaming. Okay, it will come chunk by chunk and will slowly complete this video. So in this way you can stream the videos, mp3 files in your real-time applications. When you're working with the entertainment projects, this kind of things will come. You have to know about the streams and how to deal with these things. Okay, in the next video I will tell you about the transform transform streams that was used for, you know, zipping the files and compressing the files and zipping the files. Okay, we will do right real time. So I will tell you about that one. Okay, we have covered now readable streams, writable streams, duplex streams. I will tell you transform streams in the next video. Thank you for listening.